number 3.
And I told him, man, I said, look, man, oh, we're going, is this what we're doing?
No, we ain't going to the roof.
Yeah,
Hold on.
Let's go. Let's go, man. Pass me the camera, man. I take it to the roof, man. I get good footage for you, man.
You look like you're crossing the border, bro. You're jumping
man,
Trump's wall.
If you listen to me, man, we go far, man. Hey, cabron. This shit's fucking nice up here, man. You get a chance, bro. Come on.
Oh, what you got up there, man?
This fucking looks like a fiesta. Tortilla, tacos,
Empanada.
tequila. Fucking, oh, man. Dude, I got a piñata. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, we do have somebody. We do have
Hey,
one
it's my niece's quinceañera, man. You can come if you want. Everybody's up here. We got salsa, nachos, Corona, guacamole. I feel really racist right now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm coming down, man.
Okay.
Hey, whoa, I'm feeling my butt, man. I know it's a nice view, but watch out, man. Save that for later, man. Whoa, man, get up out of my butt. With
What's
the
your name?
What's my name?
Your name.
My name's Esteban Rico Mandana.
Okay, I got my sister and my brother-in-law over here. They came to see the baby, but as you know, nobody likes babies, but everybody likes camping. So we're gonna try out some biscuits and gravy freeze dried.
Oh yeah, what's up YouTube? My name's Keith. I'm 165 pounds lean. Social security number 257398809. And we're here to see a baby and eat some camping food, so we're gonna see what's up with that.
Mm-hmm. Biscuits and gravy.
It just looks like breadcrumbs.
It does. It does. All right, we're gonna add the water. We got.
Smells. I don't even know.
Fucking freeze dried. Yeah.
Yeah.
It smells starchy as fuck. Touch it. What you feel about that?
Feels gross.
Feels like my ex-girlfriend's ass. Go ahead, give it a feel. Grab it. It feels as if you chopped up a bunch of biscuits and gravy
Yeah, definitely doesn't
and put it
feel
in a
like
bag
biscuits
with
or
hot
gravy.
water.
It's more like biscuit and gravy soup.
Yeah. I mean, it's thick.
Oh yeah. Take her in a
Super
Snicker.
thick.
Is that corn?
Mm. Oh, it feels.
Frothy.
I'm not gonna give you a hefty portion. I'm just gonna give you.
I do. I'll eat that shit.
You should get some extra sausage in there. You can't have biscuits and gravy without the sausage.
It's actually pretty fucking good. It tastes like chicken and dumplings with like
I was about to say it had the same consistency as chicken and
kind of
dumplings.
like a placenta aftertaste.
I mean, it's thick.
Yeah.
It's sticking to your rib. It's not bad.
A little crunchy. It needs some pepper though.
Mm-hmm.
Something to spice it up. Is it dinner?
For me?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I mean, I still got a half a bag left,
Mm.
baby. It's not bad. Sausages.
There's sausage in there?
Yeah.
I was wondering what that was. I thought it was just chewy biscuits. Kind
good.
of grimy.
It's not bad. It's super thick, but it's. My girlfriend wouldn't like it. You behind the camera, I know you wouldn't like it.
Look at the baby.
I'll record your hands.
It's a little bit of a flaky part.
Oh, no. You gotta get you a little bit of everything, man.
Get in that pan.
No. we got paper towels over there. You didn't like it? How bad was it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Why is it crunchy?
Oh, you got the good part.
Yeah, the crunchy part, or sausage, whatever that is.
shouldn't have had, maybe.
Yeah, I think if you're camping in the wild or if you're homeless. Because those are the two people that eat it.
It was so good, he came back for a second edition.
Mm-hmm. With pepper.
With pepper. It wasn't bad, man, dude. I think I liked it. Like, I think I would have liked it more if I was eating it like directly out of the bag. You know what I mean?
Pork patty crumbles.
Yeah, man. No, and check this out. Look on the back. It's best by July 2049.
Okay, something sketchy. It's got meat in it, but it can go that long.
It's freeze dried, dude. Like, it's done.
1,000 years is a blink of an eye, man.